The three-row SUV 2027 GMC Yukon, potentially for an all-electric variant. It will likely feature a bold new exterior design, updated technology, and a luxurious interior. While details are still limited, GMC has confirmed an electric version is coming, potentially using the same platform as the GMC Sierra EV. What we expect for 2027 GMC Yukon EV. Exterior. Redesign. Expect a complete redesign with a new grille, front fascia, and connected LED taillights. Modern aesthetic. The 2027 Yukon will likely feature a more modern and sharper look. Interior. Technology. The iconic 16.8-inch infotainment center is expected to return, and other cutting-edge technology will likely be included. Luxury. Expect upscale trims like Denali Ultimate and AT4 Ultimate with premium features and materials. Space. The three-row SUV will continue to offer ample space for passengers and cargo. New dashboard. A large curved screen spanning the dashboard is anticipated, potentially similar to the one found in Cadillac models. Powertrain, electric variant. GMC has confirmed an all-electric version, potentially utilizing the same platform as the Sierra EV. Range. Expect a battery range similar to the Sierra EV, potentially around 300 miles. Familiar engines. The existing V8 and turbo diesel engines are likely to remain available. Other features. Advanced safety tech. Expect a suite of advanced safety features, potentially including things like front pedestrian and bicyclist braking, rear cross-traffic braking, and lane-keeping assist. Super Cruise. The 2027 Yukon will likely be compatible with GM's Super Cruise hands-free driving system. Release date and pricing. The 2027 GMC Yukon is expected to be released in late 2026. The starting price is estimated to be around $65,000, but may be higher with the potential EV variant and redesign.